Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you've ever wanted to explore 3D printing, from creative designs to practical projects, without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll be showing you the top 5 best low-cost 3D printers that deliver impressive performance, reliability, and value for money. For more details and the latest prices, check out the links to all the printers in the description below. Now, let's get into it. Number 1. Creality Ender-3 V3 SE. Let's kick things off with the Creality Ender-3 V3 SE, a 3D printer that blends speed, precision, and ease of use, perfect for beginners and experienced users alike. It can print at speeds up to 250 millimeters per second with an acceleration of 2,500 millimeters per second squared, delivering fast, accurate results without compromising detail. Setup takes only about 20 minutes, so you'll be printing your first project in no time. This printer features CR Touch automatic leveling and a strain sensor for auto Z offset calibration, guaranteeing perfect first layers every single time. The Sprite Direct Extruder supports materials like PLA, PETG, and TPU, ensuring smooth, reliable filament flow for consistent print quality. A dual Z-axis design with a timing belt keeps motion stable, while the 32-bit silent mainboard minimizes noise and improves motion precision. Number 2. Bambu Lab A1 Mini Combo. Next up, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini Combo, a compact powerhouse designed for both creativity and precision. This little machine can accelerate at an incredible 10,000 millimeters per second squared, making it one of the fastest printers in its class. Despite the speed, it maintains superb accuracy and consistency. One of its standout features is multicolor printing via the AMS light system, which allows for beautifully detailed, vibrant prints without complicated setups. The printer handles auto bed leveling and Z-offset calibration automatically, taking the guesswork out of setup, perfect for beginners. Its active flow rate compensation ensures each layer is smooth and consistent, and maintenance is simple thanks to the one-clip quick-swap nozzle and pre-assembled design. You'll be ready to print in about 20 minutes right out of the box. It also operates quietly, under 48 decibels, making it ideal for home or office environments. Number 3. Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro. At number 3, the Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro takes desktop 3D printing to a whole new level of speed and stability. Equipped with Clipper firmware and a powerful processor, it reaches print speeds of up to 500 millimeters per second, drastically cutting print time while maintaining high accuracy. The upgraded all-metal guide rails with U-shaped steel wheels on the X and Y axis ensure smoother motion, improved precision, and long-lasting durability. The 225 by 225 by 265 millimeter build volume gives you plenty of room for bigger projects, while the dual-zone heated bed optimizes energy use and heating consistency. Its direct drive extruder with a 5.2:1 reduction ratio delivers stable filament feeding, reducing clogging issues. Plus, the 300°C high-temperature nozzle supports multiple materials, from PLA and ABS to PET, TPU, and nylon. Number 4. Sovol SV06 ACE. Next up, the Sovol SV06 ACE, an impressive machine built for speed, precision, and simplicity. This printer can hit speeds of up to 600 millimeters per second with a lightning-fast 20,000 millimeters per second squared acceleration, making it up to 12 times faster than the previous SV06 model. Setup takes only 15 minutes, and its one-click self-check system ensures perfect automatic leveling and calibration every time. Powered by Clipper firmware and a 64-bit chip, it delivers smoother motion control and excellent print accuracy. Its dual-axis metal bearings and reinforced XY tracks keep it stable while cutting noise, and the upgraded 10mm Z-axis rods enhance durability. The planetary dual-gear extruder with a 1 to 7.5 gear ratio ensures consistent filament flow and supports materials up to 300 degrees Celsius, including PLA, PETG, ABS, and TPU. Number 5. Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo. Finally, we've got the Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo, a 3D printer that brings smart automation, great performance, and multicolor printing to the budget range. When paired with the Anycubic ACE Pro system, it supports vibrant multicolor printing, perfect for creative projects. Its modular design means setup is fast and easy, taking as little as 15 minutes before you're ready to print. With a 255 by 255 by 260 millimeter build volume, it handles everything from small prototypes to large decorative models. The LeviQ 3.0 auto leveling system handles Z-axis adjustments automatically, guaranteeing strong first layer adhesion for cleaner results. It uses a high-quality nozzle adapted from Anycubic's advanced Kobra S1 model, reducing leakage and improving surface smoothness. An integrated 700p camera lets you monitor print progress in real time and even capture time-lapse videos of your projects. Built tough and easy to use, the Kobra 3 Combo supports a variety of filaments and delivers reliable performance for hobbyists, students, or small studios. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best low-cost 3D printers. If this video helped you find the right 3D printer for your budget, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and affordable innovation guides. Thanks for watching Hype Tech Picks. See you in the next one.